What if I told you that every single thing that you do matters? That every step, no matter how small, leaves an imprint, and not just on the world around you, but also on the world within you. Today I want to explore the raindrop theory, which says that small, consistent actions, like individual raindrops, accumulate over time and create significant change and impact. While fire might burn bright and fierce, water is quiet. It's like the steady force that nourishes life. It's gentle, it's patient, and it's enduring, like the fruit of all creation. Think of your goals and dreams as oceans waiting to be filled, not with grand flames or storms, but with simple and humble raindrops, where each drop is a promise. It is a small intention and a step forward. Sometimes those raindrops can come from gray clouds. Now these clouds, they might seem heavy and dark as they hover over us in times of struggle and doubt. But remember that even in those moments, the sun is literally right there. It's waiting patiently behind. And clouds, they're temporary and they're necessary, because it is from these gray clouds that rain can fall from, nourishing the earth and helping it grow. And in life too, those gray clouds, those obstacles, those setbacks if you will, they can honestly be blessings in disguise. They can give us the strength and the realizations that we need to be able to make a change, to see what truly matters for us and what it is that we want and what it is that we don't want in life. So how do you begin to create your ocean? Well, according to the raindrop theory, it's one drop at a time. Every single day, every small action. With that, you add to the whole ocean, because every time you choose to take a step, you're doing more than just getting closer. You're actively proving to yourself that your goals are worth chasing and that you are worth the effort. So celebrate not only after the ocean has been created, but every single time you add a raindrop to that puddle of yours. Each drop is a reminder that you're building something bigger. A puddle, a stream, a lake, and soon even an ocean. But also remember that the power of the raindrop theory, it flows both ways. Just as a single positive habit repeated over time compounds into something beautiful, a negative one can also be built just as steadily. Now, a single choice here and there might seem harmless, but as with the good ones, small actions accumulate, whether that is toward a life that you want or one that you don't want. So ask yourselves, what are the raindrops that you're adding today? What are the drops that you would like to let go of? And how can you start producing raindrops today, the ones that you want to produce? It's much more simpler than you think. Maybe it's 10 minutes less of social media before you go to bed, that one small act of kindness. Maybe it's 5 minutes of reading before you get out of bed in the morning. Or finally scheduling time to learn that new language that you want to learn. Something so small that you might usually ignore it, but if you do it every day, it's going to make a huge difference. Let these actions be easy enough to repeat. If you stumble, remember the ocean doesn't disappear just because a few drops evaporate. Keep adding and increasing the size of those drops that you add, and day by day, you will see your ocean taking form. So, why does what you do every day matter? Well, because every drop holds potential. Every drop, however small it is a testament of what it is that you're building. Dreams aren't achieved in a day. You're growing closer to them in the everyday moments, the moments that you make meaningful, in your choices and in your consistency. So even if the sky seems dark, trust that behind every cloud lies the sun, and beneath every raindrop, an entire ocean awaits. So take a step today, add your raindrop, because your oceans are excitingly waiting to be filled. I hope that you're having an amazing day, that you're thinking about what raindrops you want to add today. I'll see you next Sunday.